Roaring motorcycles? What for? True power isn't about top speed. It's about the mileage they can devour without shedding a single drop of oil in the shop. Today, we aren't just honoring the legends that surpassed 200,000 miles, we are celebrating the engineering that allows them to do that without breaking down. From the supercharged beastliness of Kawasaki to the Spartan simplicity of Honda, these are the 15 immortal engines that let you focus on the road and not on the mechanic's bill. 1. Honda CG125. The CG125 isn't an engine, it's a hammer. Released in the 70s for developing markets, its design is a declaration of war against complexity. It is a humble 124cc, air-cooled, 4-stroke single-cylinder, and crucially, it uses a pushrod and rocker arm system instead of an overhead camshaft. Why does it matter? Because the valves are adjusted with a basic wrench, not precision tools. It has no sophisticated electronics nor liquid cooling to fail. Its durability is its radical simplicity, allowing it to be repaired with parts that cost as much as a cup of coffee in any corner of the planet. It has defined mobility for millions of people, and its reliability is not just a feature, it is a social necessity that Honda more than fulfilled. 2. Suzuki SV650 90-degree V-Twin. The SV650 engine is the people's V-Twin and one of the most balanced ever built. With 645cc in a 90-degree V configuration, it offers a perfect balance between sporty performance and smoothness, thanks to its design that eliminates the need for a balancer shaft, reducing parts that could fail. It is liquid-cooled and employs modern electronic fuel injection, but does so without excessive complexity. Mechanics love it because access for valve inspections, which are done every 15,000 miles, is relatively simple. This engine is proof that a well-thought-out modern design, without being overloaded with technology, can be the key to long-term reliability. It is the engine of choice for daily commuting and racetracks alike, a gem of Japanese engineering. Yamaha CP2 Parallel Twin MT-07/TNR 700. Yamaha CP2 is the star of the modern decade in terms of reliability. This parallel twin engine stands out for its 270-degree crossplane crankshaft, which mimics the pulse of a V-twin, but with a simpler and more compact architecture. This configuration not only gives it a unique dynamic character, but it also makes maintenance easier by being in line. It is extremely lightweight, which reduces stress on the chassis and drivetrain. Its durability lies in its simplicity of design and the low cost of parts. It has proven to be nearly unbreakable both in daily use MT-07 and under the brutal demands of extreme off-road riding TNR 700, cementing itself as a buy-it-and-forget-about-it engine. 4. Kawasaki Ninja H2 H2R Maharcharged Inline 4. The inclusion of the H2 H2R 998ccc on this list is due to its level of over-engineering, not its low maintenance cost. Kawasaki Heavy Industries designed this engine to withstand extreme pressures and temperatures generated by the centrifugal supercharger. It uses a cast aluminum airbox, a water-cooled intercooler, and forged internal components with tolerances approaching aerospace precision. The reason for its reliability, despite its 310 horsepower, is that it is built to handle forces far superior to what most owners will ever impose on it on the street or even on the track. It is reliability through the brute force of engineering, a testament to what is possible when cost is not the primary concern. 5. BMW R1250 GS Boxer Twin with shift cam. We continue now with the BMW Boxer engine, now with shift cam technology, 1,254cc, which is a touring legend. Its horizontally opposed cylinders not only lower the center of gravity, but they offer fantastic accessibility for basic tasks. The shift cam introduces variable valve timing and lift to optimize performance and efficiency, but BMW has integrated it with its famous robustness. The key components are oversized, designed for transcontinental trips. Although the electronics are complex, The mechanical core has been perfected over decades. Its reputation as an engine that surpasses 187,000 miles with routine care makes it immortal, even if specialized dealership service can be expensive. Honda Africa Twin 1100L. This is the rebirth of Honda's mythical reliability for modern adventure. Its parallel twin engine and unicam cylinder heads, which feature a single camshaft, just like on Honda's motocross bikes, simplify the cylinder head design, reducing weight and the number of parts, which translates to fewer points of failure. It is specifically designed to tolerate low-quality fuels and extreme weather conditions. Honda focused reliability on utility. Even the design of its crankcase and oil tank minimizes the risk of damage from impacts. It is a bike that relies more on smart mechanical simplicity than on technological overload, earning its place on global journeys. 7. Kawasaki KLR 650. The KLR 650 is the epitome of the utility motorcycle. Its 651cc single-cylinder engine, liquid-cooled, though with a very simple radiator system, is famous for its ability to take punishment and neglect. It has been in production with minimal changes since 1987, a testament to its nearly perfect original design. Its historic reliability is based on a low compression ratio and a robust crankcase design. It is an engine that can be maintained with basic tools in the desert and has historically required little more than oil and gas. While slow by modern standards, its ability to keep running under any circumstance is unmatched. 8. Suzuki Hayabusa 1340cc Inline 4. When Suzuki designed the Hayabusa engine 1340cc in 1999, it wasn't just looking for speed, it was looking for indestructibility. This naturally aspirated inline-4 was intentionally oversized to handle extreme power without the need for delicate tuning. Its robustness is due to a strong valve train, a short stroke to allow high RPMs, and internal materials that withstand constant abuse. Tuners know it. This engine is capable of handling more than 300 horsepower with turbochargers without blowing up the stock internals. This headroom in the design is its secret to longevity. It is a machine that will last for decades, not because it is simple, but because it is ridiculously stronger than it needs to be. Honda ST1100 Pan-European V4. The 1085cc V4 engine of the Honda ST1100 is famous for its smoothness and quiet cruising capability. Its reliability lies in the longitudinally mounted V4 design, which allows it to have a very narrow engine and a low center of gravity. It is liquid-cooled and features a robust shaft drive system. The longevity of this engine is legendary, with many units surpassing 200,000 miles without ever needing an engine teardown. Although access to the spark plugs or timing can be tricky due to the density of the V4 in the chassis, once it is dialed in, it runs flawlessly for years, embodying old-school Honda reliability. 10. Yamaha FJR 1300 Inline 4 with shaft drive. Let's look now at this example of how a classic design can be brought to perfection. We are talking about the engine of the FJR 1300 1298cc Inline 4, which is smooth, powerful, and, just like its Honda rival, uses a shaft drive. This last point is crucial, as it eliminates constant maintenance, mess, and the risk of chain failure. The Inline 4 design is more open than the V4, making the mechanic's job easier on the top end of the engine. The FJR 1300 is built for high-speed, long-distance use, with a focus on hassle-free durability. It is the top choice for many police forces and iron riders precisely because of its road reliability. 11. Suzuki Bandit 1200 Air Oil-Cooled Inline 4. The Bandit 1200 engine, 1157cc, is a direct descendant of the famous GSX-R 1100 block, but detuned for the street. This reduction in compression and peak power is the key to its reliability. It uses the Sachs Suzuki Advanced Cooling System, which cools the engine with forced oil in addition to air. By not being stressed like the original sport bike engine, it operates with a wide safety margin. Torque arrives at low RPMs, which reduces strain and heat. It is an engine of simple, robust design that is tolerant of abuse. Being less sensitive to heat and strain, it has a theoretical lifespan far superior to its racing siblings. Harley-Davidson Evolution Evo. Air-cooled 45-degree V-Twin. Unlike its leak-prone predecessors, the Shovelhead, the Evo introduced a more modern and forgiving design. It is an air-cooled 45-degree V-Twin, meaning there are no radiators, water pumps, or hoses to fail. Its reliability is of a different nature. It is simple for the average owner to understand and repair. Although it requires gasket and seal adjustments due to its constant vibration, the universal availability of parts and its straightforward design allow the bike to keep rolling without depending on dealerships or diagnostic software. Its longevity is more a matter of culture than high tech. 13. Kawasaki Versys 650 Chipolal Twin. The Versys 650 engine, Sin 149cc, is one of the most reliable parallel twins on the market. Derived from the popular Ninja 650, this engine is liquid-cooled and uses electronic fuel injection. The key to its longevity is its focus on mid-range torque rather than high RPMs, which reduces internal stress. It is compact, has low fuel consumption, and, most importantly, has no reported chronic issues even at high mileage. Its maintenance is straightforward thanks to the parallel architecture, making it a smart, low cost of ownership option for daily commuting and touring. 14. Suzuki DR650 Air-Cooled Single Cylinder. If the CG125 is a hammer, the DR650 644cc is an anvil. It is an air-cooled single-cylinder engine that has remained virtually unchanged since 1990. Its design is so basic that there is practically nothing to fail. There is no ABS, no ride modes, no electronic suspension. Its adventure reliability is measured by what the rider can fix. With a modest toolkit, you can make it out of the Atacama Desert. The absence of complexity is its superpower. It is an engine that accepts any type of gasoline, runs in any altitude and weather, and refuses to die. The perfect embodiment of survival. 15. Honda CBR 100XX Super Blackbird in 4. Let's make it clear that this model is the definition of Honda's over-engineered reliability from the 90s. Created to be the fastest production motorcycle in the world at the time, Honda did not skimp on robustness. This inline 4 is silky smooth thanks to its dual balancer shafts and is built with internal materials that withstand constant abuse at the redline. Owners routinely report six-figure mileages without ever needing to open the engine. It is a machine you can push to the limit all day long, for decades, asking only for gas and basic maintenance. A reminder of an era where engineers prioritized durability over cost. So now you know, these are the 15 engines that don't just promise miles, they give you peace of mind back. Reliability isn't a mythical number. It's an equation where durability is divided by the cost of maintenance. Don't fall in love with the most powerful or complex machine. Instead, be a smart rider. Choose the tool, not the toy. Because in the end, the best engine is the one that lets you enjoy the road, not the one that forces you into a constant relationship with the repair shop. If you liked this, leave a like, comment, and share. And for more videos like this, just subscribe to the canal and look out for our next videos. See you in the next one.